Welcome to Winner's Bench. The best 555 timer is probably one of the most versatile and widely used integrated circuits in the world of electronics, enabling a vast array of timing and oscillation applications for hobbyists and professionals alike, making it an indispensable component for anyone looking to build or experiment with electronic circuits that require precise timing or repetitive signal generation. Number 5. 555 Timer Delay Relay Module. Introducing our versatile delay relay module, designed for precise timing control. It offers flexibility with multiple voltage options to suit your needs. Featuring convenient 3-wire interfaces with terminal blocks for both module voltage and relay output. This ensures a simple and secure connection for your setup. Built with an industrial-grade circuit board, it boasts enhanced anti-interference capabilities and stable performance. Your settings are remembered even after power loss. This module supports various functions including delay on, delay OFF, self-locking, and loop timing. It adapts to a wide range of applications. Equipped with a power supply anti-reverse function, it protects the module from damage. Choose from 5V, 12V, or 24V versions for optimal compatibility. We are committed to providing you with a high-quality product and excellent customer service. If you have any issues, please don't hesitate to contact us. What we like. This module offers versatile voltage options and remembers your settings even after power loss. Its anti-reverse protection ensures durability. If you need a reliable and user-friendly timer for industrial applications or complex projects where settings persistence is crucial, this is a great choice. What people say. Works perfectly as a remote garage door opener. It's powered through a Wi-Fi plug and the relay connects into an extra garage door opener. When I turn the Wi-Fi plug on, the relay triggers the garage door and the door will open. Turn it off and on again and the door closes. Works great, and I monitor its operation using the Wi-Fi camera. I use it to control my Spirit Halloween and Home Depot animatronics with KY008 lasers as the sensor. Pressing the set button will select the function after light starts flashing. The trigger works by placing strap from DC plus to 1X. F1 relay turns on after delay, F2 relay turns on immediately and off after delay, F3 on off with trigger, F4 relay locks in with trigger. F1 and F2 work by turning the power off and on. This relay is working well for my purpose. Number 4. MCIGICM E555 Timer IC Chip Kit. Introducing the MCIGICM E555 Timer IC Chip Kit, a versatile component for your electronic projects. This kit provides a reliable pulse generator for various applications. This essential chip functions as a pulse generator, allowing you to create precise timing signals. It's ideal for applications requiring accurate oscillations and delays. You'll receive 50 pieces of the NE555 DIP integrated circuit. These are high-quality components designed for consistent performance in your circuits. The DIP package makes these chips easy to work with on breadboards and through-hole PCBs. They are designed for straightforward integration into your designs. Whether you're a hobbyist experimenting with new circuits or a professional needing reliable timing components, this kit is a great choice. Get yours today and start building. What we like. This pack provides a generous quantity of NE555 timer ICs, making it incredibly cost-effective for hobbyists and educators. If you're working on multiple projects or need a large supply for a class, this bulk pack is ideal for keeping your projects running without breaking the bank. What people say. Been running non-stop for over 2 years, just getting started. Seems to function as they should. I have used a couple without any issues and the circuit seems to be of good quality. This little chip is one of the most versatile integrated circuits ever. An experimenter's Aladdin's lamp, it can do anything you want. Number 3. Texas Instruments NE555P Timer, 10-pack. Introducing the NE555P Timer from Texas Instruments. This versatile component offers precise timing control, from microseconds to hours. It supports both astable and monostable operation, giving you flexibility for various circuit designs. You can also easily adjust the duty cycle to meet your specific needs. The TTL-compatible output can sync or source up to 200 mA. This makes it suitable for a wide range of applications requiring robust output drive. Count on reliable performance for your timing circuits. This pack includes 10 units, ensuring you have enough for multiple projects. Experience the quality and precision of Texas Instruments. This timer is designed for accuracy and dependability in your electronic designs. What we like. Experience precise timing from microseconds to hours with its adjustable duty cycle. The high output current capability is a significant advantage. If you're a serious electronics enthusiast or engineer requiring flexibility and robust performance for diverse timing circuits, this precision timer is an excellent option. What people say. Good quality chips which function as specified. Works stable at 90 kHz and will drive a 40 mA load, in my application. Appears to be OEM TI and not a knockoff. Extremely versatile. Number 2. Texas Instruments NE555P Timer IC, 12-pack. Introducing the NE555P, a versatile timer integrated circuit from Texas Instruments. This pack includes 12 units, perfect for your electronic projects. Achieve precise timing control, from microseconds to hours, with this reliable component. It offers flexibility for a wide range of applications. It supports both astable and monostable operation modes, giving you the adaptability you need. You can also easily adjust the duty cycle for custom performance. The TTL-compatible output can sync or source up to 200 mA. This makes it suitable for driving various loads directly. Whether you're building a simple oscillator or a complex timing circuit, this component is an excellent choice. Get your 12-pack today and start creating. What we like. This option also offers a broad timing range and an adjustable duty cycle, along with a strong output current. If you need a reliable single timer for various applications and appreciate the consistent quality from a reputable brand, this pack provides a good balance of quantity and performance. What people say. The 555 Timer IC is a versatile integrated circuit used in a wide range of applications, including oscillators, timers, and pulse generators. It can be configured in several modes, such as astable mode for generating continuous waveforms and monostable mode for creating single pulses. The device operates over a wide voltage range and offers precise timing control, making it suitable for both hobbyist and professional projects. Number 1. BOJACK NE555 Timer IC NE555P Pulse Generator, 50 PCS. Introducing the BOJACK NE555 Timer IC, a versatile pulse generator. This component is essential for various electronic projects. It's designed to generate precise pulses, making it ideal for timing applications. You can count on its consistent performance. Operating within a voltage range of 4.5 V to 18 V, it offers flexibility for different circuit designs. This makes it adaptable to many power sources. With a low current draw of 10 to 15 mA, it's an energy-efficient choice. It provides excellent performance without consuming excessive power. It boasts a maximum output current of 225 mA, capable of driving various loads. This high output current ensures it can handle demanding tasks. Experience rapid operation with its impressive 100 nanoseconds rise and fall times. This quick response is crucial for high-speed applications. This pack includes 50 pieces, providing ample supply for your projects. It's a cost-effective solution for multiple builds. What we like. This timer IC boasts a wide operating voltage range and impressively fast rise and fall times. Its substantial output current makes it suitable for driving various loads. If you're building fast-switching circuits or require a versatile timer that can handle a broad voltage spectrum, this is a solid choice for your projects. What people say. The 555 timer is a versatile integrated circuit used in a wide range of applications, including oscillators, timers, and pulse generators. It can be configured in astable mode to produce a continuous square wave output, or in monostable mode to generate a single pulse of a specific duration. The 555 Timer IC is known for its low cost, wide operating voltage range, and simple external component requirements, making it a popular choice for hobbyists and professionals alike. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.